Um, this video is made as a response to Sudhanshu Rawat's query, which I got on LinkedIn. Thanks a lot, Sudhanshu, for asking this question. So the question was, what are the opportunities we get after doing CPA? And what I'm gonna do right now, I'm going to illustrate it to you by going to Naukri.com, right? I won't log in from my account so as to keep it as unbiased as we can, and I'm gonna type CPA here, and I'm gonna search jobs. So on 1st of August 2021, what we have is 20,864 CPA jobs. About if you log in for the CPA, and an interesting fact which you can see right on the face of one of the first opportunities is this thing. I've been talking about it that a lot of companies have started writing CA/CPA. So all those jobs which were available for only CAs, they have sort of opened up for CPAs as well. So a lot of the opportunities have come that way as well, right? Let me take you through the kind of jobs quickly. So Ogra Solution, as you can see, is looking for a financial control function. They're looking for a manager, assistant, vice president. So it will be for internal controls and compliance and all that. Uh, Similar opening here. They're looking for a 6 to 11 years of work ex, and this one is for 8 to 3 years, right? And then we have Confidence Biz Soul Private Limited. They are looking for a CA/CPA 0 to 5 years, so a fresher in Ahmedabad, right? And then we have a team leader manager opening for in Prep Ladder Private Limited. They're looking for a CPA. So all are these are the kind of openings which we get. So the interesting fact is that as we know that CPA has four subjects: financial accounting, reporting, auditing, US taxation, which is regulations, and BEC business environment concepts. Um, we saw the first opening was on internal control, the second was also financial control. So internal control and financial control is what they're looking for. Maybe audit plus a BEC function is what helps us to get through these kind of openings. And now finance and accounts division, financial account reporting is the subject which is required for such kind of jobs.